Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the cutest little puppy in the world and we are going to try on the cutest little costume, I guess. So this is it here. This is going to be a penguin costume. So this is for her. Let's see how we're going to do this. This is going to go this way, like that somehow. So is that going to be like that? Okay. That goes there, this goes here. Well, we'll see how this looks in a second. Okay, so there, now we have that little penguin stuff with the feet and stuff. Oh my gosh, how funny is that? Does this go through here? She's supposed to wear this here. Let's see, put that in. Oh, sorry, Penny. Put that through there. And put this one through here. How does it go? Through? Oh, no. Penny, give me your foot. Okay, so there's her little feet through there. And then here is her little helmet. That'll go, I guess, like this. And her ears will go through there. She just sits here. Okay, so this is Penny with the little penguin outfit. There you go. Let's look up. See, that's how she looks. It's gonna cover in her eyes now. I'm gonna put it up there. But look at how cute she looks. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I like this. Thumbs up. Oh, good girl. That's awesome.